Okay, so we went over carbohydrates so far. The next molecule that we have are lipids. These are also known as fats and oils. They are made up of the same thing as a carbohydrate with a different ratio. So carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Then we have proteins. Proteins have carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and a nitrogen group. And lastly, we have something called nucleic acids, Na. If you've ever heard of DNA or RNA, they are examples of nucleic acids. They contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. So these are our four biological molecules that make up all living organisms. We all have them just in various forms. So next important slide here, you guys. So again, biological molecules, we use that word interchangeably with macromolecules. So macromolecules are long chains of polymers. Poly means many. A polymer is a large molecule that is made up of repeating monomers. Monomers are the subunits or the building blocks that create the polymer. So I'm going to say this one more time, really simply. Monomers are the subunits or the building blocks that make our polymers. Our polymers are just our biological molecules. So those carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. If you guys are looking down here at this little GIF, you see that each monomer connects to another one to create the full biological molecule compound. So an example, you guys, a monomer, like a building block, for example, could be bricks. The bricks get built up to become a house. That house could be represented as the polymer or the macromolecule. All right, and the last thing that we have up here is talking about that the food that you consume makes you who you are. So again, you guys, from the first slide, when I said that biological molecules are either synthesized or ingested, ingested means to consume. So whatever you eat, you know gets digested and broken down through the digestive system and then gets used to rebuild our cells. So whatever you're putting in your body, that is going to get digested, broken down, and rebuilt into the cells that make you. So you guys, that is it for today. Again, today's lesson was the four biological molecules, just a quick overview of it.